Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing stalls the setup. Check the board model and firmware, plug the recommended power supply into a surge protector, and then connect power. Once powered, watch the boot screen to confirm post or welcome prompts. Make sure you have HDMI or DisplayPort and the correct USB cable ready. These are your primary data paths. If the board uses a wireless receiver, insert it now. This gets you into the initial configuration fast and avoids later backtracking. Once the board shows the welcome screen, connect the video cable to your laptop or PC and switch the board to that input. Then plug the USB cable for touch and pen data. The board usually enumerates as HID, so install drivers only if touch fails. Next, configure networking. Use Ethernet for stable connections or choose Wi-Fi and enter credentials. Make sure the board receives an IP address. This enables remote management and firmware updates. If updates are pending, let them finish before proceeding. To finish, run the touch and pen calibration so input is accurate. Follow the on-screen targets until alignment is tight. Test audio, camera, and screen sharing with a quick call or local playback. Adjust mic gain and speaker levels, and save your preferred profile. If something goes wrong, first reboot the board and host, then swap cables to isolate the fault. If touch or display is unresponsive, update drivers and firmware. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. This often clears persistent configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.